Great day, guys. My phone just fell. I just wanted to come up here really quickly and just invite you guys to our weight loss challenge. We are actually having a weight loss challenge in my company, and it's called the Fall Back into Fitness Weight Loss Challenge. It starts next Monday, 9/14. But I want to invite you to be one of my clients for this challenge, guys. If you are looking to lose weight, feel great, get healthier, get rid of some of that COVID weight, guys, I am here to support you. My name is Crystal Flowers again. So what I want you to do today, we are having a sale, right, on our detox tea, which is a part of a lot of our kits that we sell. And we're having a 10% off sale on the IOSO Detox Tea Instant Tea, right? Which comes in sachets. You pour it in a bottle, you shake it, and you feel great. And that tea is a part of some of our kits that we have here. And then we have the original IOSO Detox Tea that comes in a month's supply. This one you brew actually on the stove, and you drink 2 cups a day. And those teas are actually a part of a lot of our weight loss kits. And so today, only until midnight, we are having a 10% sale off of those detox tea. So in order to be a part of the challenge, you need to buy 2 products or more. And so I'm coming to you, the guys, today, because if you make the purchase of the tea and then you buy another product, you're already saving 10%, right? And the cost for you for being a part of the challenge is to purchase a kit, right? Our kits consist of one of the ones that I really like is our Get Fit kit, which is our NRG appetite suppressants, the NutriBurst liquid vitamin, and one of the teas, right? The tea, either the instant or the original. Either way, you can't go wrong with those 2 kits. And guys, these products actually help you to get rid of, to be able to get your weight management going. We also have another kit, which I love, which is our fat burner kit. I don't have the resolution bottle in front of me, but the resolution drops actually come with a meal plan, and it's designed to help suppress your appetite and also to give you guidance in what things you should be eating and you shouldn't be eating. Here at this company, we do not encourage dieting. We hope that you will get a healthy lifestyle change, right? For me, guys, when I initially came into the company, I lost 31 pounds. I have been with this company for 6 years, and I have been able to maintain 27 pounds. And that was because it gave me guidance on what to eat and what not to eat. Most people gain weight and lose weight, and then they regain it back quickly. And that's because they have not gotten guidance on the things that should be eaten and shouldn't be eaten. So I want to invite you to be a part of this challenge. It's called the Fall Back Weight Loss Challenge. It starts again on 9/14, which is next Monday. In order for you to be able to receive your kit by Monday, we suggest that you make your purchase no later than Wednesday of this week, which is 9/10, right? 9/10 or 9/9, right? 9/9. We suggest that you make your purchase by then, or 9/10 the latest. If you want to get your products and start afterward, you'll just be starting a couple of days behind, and you need to order by Friday. That's okay too, but you have to weigh in by Monday night. Right? Your weigh-in is Monday night. You have to weigh in by Monday night, even if you're waiting for your products, but you're still invited to be a part of the challenge, right? But we just encourage you to get your products by this Wednesday. So if you want to be a part of the challenge and you want to be one of my clients, this challenge is being done by myself and some of my business partners. And so we are going to be coaching you with tips and tricks on how to do things. We have a clinical dietitian with over 25 years of experience inside of the group. We have nurse professionals. We have a bunch of professionals and a bunch of people that have been able to maintain their healthy lifestyle over their journey, having been inside of the company. So you're going to get good coaching from people that are knowledgeable about these products and about, about things that you should be doing. Also, exercising tips. You may not start off exercising, but guys, the goal is to be able to get you into creative, healthy lifestyles and to do things that you love, not to be able to create a quick fix, because that's not, like I said, that's not what we're about. We're about creating a healthy lifestyle. So you can go ahead and you can, you're going to get that. You're going to get inspiration, motivation, and guys, just, live videos in there for Q&As. So you can be able to try to figure out, okay, what is working for me and what's not working for me. So there's going to be a lot of things that you're going to be able to experience inside of this private Facebook support group, right? And we're going to be able to support you along recipes and tips. The clinical dietitian, she goes live with a cooking meal once a week, guys. So it's going to be a lot of things inside of there. And we just want to encourage you to be able to be a part of this weight loss challenge. So if that is you, my name is Crystal Flowers on Instagram, Crystal S. Flowers on Instagram, Crystal Flowers on Facebook, and Crystal Flowers 65 on YouTube, right? You will see me with the bright orange on and the big smile, guys, on all of those social media platforms. Just reach out to me, DM me, Facebook me, call me, whatever you need to do to be a part of this weight loss challenge. Again, like I said, the cost to you is the cost of a kit purchase of 2 products or more. And, you may need a consultation. So just DM me and give me a I'll give you a consultation on what is all needed in order for you to be a part of this challenge as well. All right. So you guys make it an absolutely amazing day on purpose. Enjoy your Labor Day, guys. And again, the tea special ends tonight at midnight. So you want to connect with me before 10 o'clock. Because I'm going to tell y'all, by 10 o'clock, my eyes be getting real heavy. So you want to connect with me before then. And guys, to that again, you have an absolutely amazing day on purpose, right? Toodle.